Are speak and talk different? Often it doesn't matter, but there are some differences. Speak can refer to the action itself. I speak Spanish really well and I speak Russian badly. Speak can refer to something more formal than talk. As a teacher, I spoke to my students in lessons and then I talked to my friends afterwards. Talk suggests that it's a conversation. My friends always listen to me. Not all my students did. There are also some expressions where we use one word rather than the other, like speak out or talk rubbish. The difference is very small and often it doesn't matter which one you use, but remember, teachers and politicians speak to you, friends and family talk to you, and you should speak out if you think someone's talking rubbish.